Hi and welcome to another video. I'm Duncan and today we are talking building window films. Now we all know window tints have been transforming cars for decades and we've seen the odd building here and there with like a mirror type film on them, but it's 2025. We've got a brand new range of window films specifically designed for buildings from Expel, and they offer so many benefits to buildings, it is unreal. The old traditional mirror type window film, which in the industry we called Silver 20, did offer some really good things. It offered privacy, it offered heat reduction, and also offered glare reduction, but it looked like a mirror. Most people don't want mirror windows, and on the inside, especially at night, it was really reflective, so you sort of had a mirror effect on the inside as well. Gone are those days. We've got a fantastic range of films available. I'm going to talk you through what we're doing in this property for this customer and what we can do for your property with a wide range of films. So let's talk about this job specifically. Number one goal for our customer is privacy. There's an Airbnb property over there, so we want to increase privacy, stop people looking into this room. Number two is looks. It's a beautiful property, we'll show you outside too, and we don't want like the traditional type of mirror film. We don't want mirror windows on here. So what we've chose is a window film called Expel DR Blend 7. It's a dark film, 7% of light goes through it, which means it blocks 93% of light. So it's the darkest we've got, which means it maximizes privacy. Although it's a reflective film, we've got to have a reflective film, so they're double glazed units. It is a dark tinted, so it's got hints of like titanium in it, if that makes sense. You're going to see it, so I won't go too much into what it looks like trying to explain it. But most importantly, on the inside, it does not look like a mirror, which is what traditional window films for buildings always have done. It looks like more traditional black, like you see in cars, and we're more aware of there. The other two benefits is temperature regulation. The property's got underfloor heating. When the sun comes through here, it really blasts through from up there to south facing. Changes this temperature instantly, and the underfloor heating takes a few hours to adjust, so it's working overtime all the time trying to regulate this temperature. So we're going to regulate it much better, make it much more stable, and just make the heating do less work, and before it'd be much less expense for the heating. Finally, fade reduction. Beautiful furniture. It's going to fade in UV lights, but not once the window film's there, because that blocks 99% of UV rays. So let's get down to fitting it. So we're halfway through this block of 6 and you got your first glimpse. We've paused here so you can see the difference. It's really nice. Yes, it is slightly more reflective than the clear glass, but it's not over reflective, but the appearance really works well with the black frames. I really like that. The vision out is still fantastic. Vision in is massively restricted, which is a bonus. Temperatures in the whole property is now much better regulated because you haven't got the sun blaring through here. But for me, the biggest advantage is this property has got this fantastic staircase with the steel and the wooden steps. And the wooden steps, although they've only been in the property about 12-18 months, they've massively bleached in the sun already, and that's practically going to stop now as the 99% UV rays are blocked with the film. So these stairs will be able to be stained, and they're going to stay looking brand new for much longer. So enough of that, let's get the other three on and move on to the bifold doors. Just like that, we are done. I absolutely love this. Customer is over the moon. Yes, it's still reflective, but I love how it's like a tinted silver sort of thing, like a titanium. It really complements these black frames. You got complete privacy, you can't look in there whatsoever. And from the inside, it's not mirror-like whatsoever. It just really got a nice hue of black tint that looks so fantastic with the frames. At night time, if it's really bright in there, you are going to see in. But what I've suggested to the customer, if that is an issue, fit one or two really bright floodlights down here, flood this with light, and then you'll have privacy at night as well. That is the best way. Just quickly zoom around here, and we've got the other 6 panes that we did. I think what I like so much on here is the tint just works really well with the white walls. It just looks so good. So customers over the moon. It's fixed all of their issues, the glare, the privacy, the UV fading. Any questions whatsoever? This is the darkest film. We've got window films that are clear but yet still do heat rejection, UV rejection. It's incredible what we can do now. We've got such a wide range. If you've got a listed building, we've got films that work with heritage. They do not change the appearance of the building, but they can make your single pane window as effective, if not more effective, than double glazing. It's really, really good. So any questions whatsoever, get in touch. We will be happy to help. We will see you on the next video.